PDAparts.com presents repairing the Palm Personal Pro 3, 3E, 3X, and 3E Digitizer glass top. Warning, the following directions will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk. Once you have removed the screen from the unit, you will need to remove the ribbon from the glass top to the board by releasing the two tabs. Flip over the unit and separate the digitizer from the LCD using a blade. Make certain the blade is under the icons and is following along the edge until the glass top separates from the glass bottom. You'll need to remove any debris that is left over from the glass. Taking a new digitizer glass top, put it on top of the LCD and position it squarely. You will now need to attach a ribbon from the digitizer to the LCD. For all your PDA parts, accessories, and instructional repair guides, visit us at PDAparts.com.